Hey everybody, I'm going to do some code cutting here. We got a quick set cylinder that we need to shim open and cut a key for, and we have a Suzuki key that we need to cut by code. There's our code here. So we got our HPC machine, and it looks like the Suzuki wheel is on there now, so we'll just cut that one first. Not the Suzuki wheel, I mean the 1011 wheel, which is for that kind of key. And we need the Suzuki card here. Alright, that's what we want here. This is for a Gixxer. So that's the card for that. And it goes right here. Alright, once again, there's our code. We're going to be cutting it to. It's a double-sided key. Make sure it's all the way in the jaw. Alright, and we're going to go ahead and just cut it here. So we got 3, 4, 1, 1, 4, 2, 3. Alright, so there's our first side. I'm going to cut the other side. The cuts are the same on both sides on these. Yeah, I'm not a huge fan. This is an aftermarket key somebody had. Not a huge fan of these. And I actually do not guarantee them to work. This is for somebody that actually made a key for their bike, which is some Ilko blanks. I wanted one of these, so they ordered it, and here we are. Alright, and there's our cut key here, and I guess I'll just do a second video with the other cylinder here, so I know you probably can't wait for that. So that'll do it for this one here, and we'll talk to everybody later.